hands. I've already been talking to my colleagues that as Kawempe National Referral Hospital, we deal with mothers who deliver and children. And in this season, many ladies are out there deceiving their men that they are pregnant and they want to come to Kawempe. So I am saying, please, now that we have received this Christmas gift, please sensitize our mothers to be security cautious, safety first for their babies, for themselves, for their property, because everyone is looking out for something for Christmas.
But mostly what we wanted you to tell our mothers, you know, this is the biggest and the heaviest hospital in the River Road. We have issues with pregnant women. We want you to sensitize them. Which type of, is it Mr. Cases at police, which women come with. Mothers know that delivering a lot, that's when they will look after them. Try to talk to them. How many cases do you get?
Today, my name is Senior Superintendent of Police Moses Nanoka, the Regional Police Commander, Kampala North.
We are glad to meet you, all of you, and the two
hospital and its staff closer to the police. We had the activities of cleaning the hospital. We are doing offloading of medicines, parking, looking at how the activities of the hospital in terms of security are being managed and also to improve them. We're also trying to create a relationship with the staff, the clients and the police to see that the relationship improves and also to see that our working environment improves. As you know very well, we get a lot of accident victims, we get people who have been affected in different ways and we rush them to the hospital. We felt it very necessary to pay courtesy to the hospital and thank them for the relationship they have created with us, the support they give us, but also we felt extending our support to them was very vital. That's why we came and we cleaned the whole hospital. We have offloaded medicines and we're doing other activities. Basically,
wano nange wendi ninawo omulwadde ali waggulu eyo, omukazi wange ali waggulu eyo bamujjanjaba. Nsanyuse nnyo natukyewunyiza nnyo kulaba nga tulaba ku poliisi buli mayinja gonna Kawempe n'emulirwano nga bazze okubeera bawenja ku ddwaliro lyaffe n'okusomesa ebyokwerinda kuba ebbanga lyetulimu si ddungi. Nazzikuno nga bagamba nti eddwaliro ly'eMulago si ddungi okubeera nga batwala ebintu by'abantu na buli kimu, naye poliisi ezze n'esomesa mu byokwerinda, n'esomesa enkwata y'ebintu, n'esomesa buli muntu abazze mu ddwaliro alina kweyisa atya. Kituyambe nnyo era tusiimye nnyo, tusiimye ddala. Twebaza IGP olw'abasajja bo okubeera nga bazze ne bakola omulimu gw'obwannakyewa mu ddwaliro. Kizibu nnyo okulaba abantu nga bambadde amayinja gaabwe gonna ne bajja babeeko kye boogera eri abantu n'omuntu wa wansi abeere nga abalaba. Tweyanza nnyo, tweyanzeege.